Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. I really hope you guys are enjoying this year's Vlogmas. So in today's video, this is going to be a very exciting video because I am doing a giveaway because I hit 4,000 subscribers. I think it was last week. I've been really excited to do this giveaway for a while and I didn't really think I would make it to 4,000 before the end of the year. So thank you guys so much for continuing to support my YouTube journey and continuing to subscribe to my channel and watching my videos, of course. So in this video, I'm going to be having a giveaway at the end of the video, but I'm going to be reviewing the stuff that I'm going to be giving away. So hopefully it's good. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload every day until the 25th of December. Okay, we are gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be creating a look with the Raw Beauty Kristi collection. I got a few things from the collection. I'll show you guys what they are first. So this is all I got from the Raw Beauty Kristi / ColourPop collection. I haven't even opened it yet. It's been sitting in my makeup room for like a week now, so I'm very excited to be trying out these things, and I will do the giveaway at the end of the video. So let's save one of those for the giveaway. So I'll show you guys what I got. First of all, I did get the 4 Super Shock shadows. So they come in this really cute packaging. I've been super excited for this collection ever since they announced it was happening. I saw it on Instagram and I was just really excited for Kristi. So congratulations Kristi. I know she really wanted this collab for a really long time, so I'm so proud of her. She's one of those big YouTubers that are actually really genuine, and yeah, I just love watching her content. Oh my goodness, this is so hard to open. I don't know why. I just find the Super Shock shadows, like the packaging, just really difficult to open. And I don't have really long nails either. Okay, you guys, I'm really hoping this video is not gonna be like the Nikita and Morphe video where it took me like 2 hours to film. I'm really hoping that doesn't happen. But these are the Super Shock shadows here. So there's 4 of them in beautiful green packaging. So the first one is called Mycelium, and it is a beautiful champagne looking shade. I'm gonna swatch these on the back of my hand for you guys so you get an idea of what the colors are. These are so nice. I love Super Shock shadows. They're just so soft and they're just so pigmented. So that is Mycelium right on the back of my hand there. Hopefully you guys can see that. The next one here is called Olympic. This one looks very similar to Mycelium, so it'll be interesting to swatch them side by side and see the difference. This is more of like a soft gold. I don't know how to explain it. Mycelium is definitely prettier than Olympic. If you are looking for one of these, I like Mycelium the best so far. The next one is called Like a Moss, and it is like a green tone gold. Oh, that's so pretty. It's almost like a duochrome goldeny green color. So that one is Like a Moss. And then the last one is called Campfire, and this one is a really pretty coppery gold. So you guys, the 4 Super Shock shadows there. Hopefully you guys can see all of the colors and all the differences between them. I really like Mycelium. I like a Moss, that greeny gold, and I really like the Campfire one. So those are the 4 shades swatched. And I don't really have colors that are like this in my Super Shock shadows that I have currently. I have a lot of like colorful ones, more like darker mauves and more like purpley colors. I don't have any of these like neutrally ones that I can use on an everyday basis. So I'm going to be very excited to be using these. And then, of course, I got the At Forest Sight eyeshadow palette. This is the one thing I was most excited for the whole collection. So let's go ahead and pop this open. Oh my gosh. Just just the artwork on this collection, the artwork put into this collection is just amazing. And I love it. So this is the palette. Wow. Yeah, definitely even prettier in person, you guys. So that is what the At Forest Sight eyeshadow palette looks like. I should have probably taken some pictures before I swatched everything. I just realized that, but oh well. That's what that looks like. I'm really excited to play with this side of the palette, like the green colors, the golds, the yellows. That side of the palette is just calling to me, so that's what we're going to be using today. And then I will get into the giveaway. So I'm going to start off with the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer. Like I said, I want to play with the green slash yellow side of the palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Chanterelle, which is this really pretty yellow color. All these colors, by the way, I know that they're supposed to be reminiscent of the Midwest in the US. I've never been to the Midwest, but these colors also remind me of the forest here in Canada. So this is just a really beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow palette. Very, very well done. And I love all of the mushroom detailing on this palette. It's just so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna take that yellow color Chanterelle. This is the N5 brush from Morphe. If you were wondering, this is from the Nikita Dragon eyeshadow collection. Okay guys, that is what Chanterelle looks like. It's a very nice wearable yellow. I feel like a lot of people can pull this color off. It's not one of those scary bright neon yellows or anything. It's more muted. It's more of like a golden, it has kind of like a golden undertone to it. I don't know how to explain it, but that is that. Let's work on the other side. I'm gonna kind of just blend it, start blending it out, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and take Fiddlehead, which is that green in the corner here. A really pretty olivey green. I'll take it on the same brush, and this is just gonna go in the crease. There isn't a lot of fallout. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I like to mention this. I always say that I don't really care that much about fallout because a lot of eyeshadow palettes have it, and I don't really usually do my foundation first unless I'm filming. But for the most part, I do my eyeshadow before I put my foundation on, and it's not really an issue. But I always like to mention if things have fallout, if they don't have fallout. So I know people have a different way of doing their makeup. Some people do their foundation first, some people do their eyeshadow last. So it's always a good thing to note this one does not have a lot of fallout like a lot of ColourPop shadow palettes do. So this color I'm just gonna pop into the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take the color right beside it. It's called Emerald City, and it is that deep, deep, deep emerald green looking color. And guess where we're placing this? We're placing this on the outer V slash outer crease. These are not shades that I would wear like normally if it wasn't for trying it out in this palette. Like, they're kind of just together and they make you look at them differently. If I was to take these colors out of different eyeshadow palettes and try to put them together into a look, like, I wouldn't think that it would work. But in this palette, trying out these colors together, I just love this color story. It's just so, it's just something that works really well together and that you wouldn't really think that it would, you know? Okay, so now we're just gonna blend and then do the lid color. Okay, before we add the lid color, I'm gonna actually go ahead and take Chanterelle again, that yellow that we started off with, and I'm just gonna add that again just because when you blend things, colors can kind of fade, and I just want this color to stand out. It's a really beautiful yellow. Okay, so now we are gonna do the lid color, which is super exciting. I almost want to take that evergreen color in this palette, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and take one of the Super Shock shadows because I really want to test those out. I don't know which one to use. So for the lid, I'm gonna go ahead and take like a moss, and I feel like this color is just gonna tie in what we already have on the eyes. And with these Super Shock shadows, I know a lot of people like to apply them with brushes, they like to apply them wet with Fix Plus, but I'm just gonna use my fingers. I feel like that's the best way to apply these, honestly. So I'm gonna grab some of that color. Wow, I love this color. It's so pretty. Okay, I officially love this eyeshadow palette. There's nothing bad that I have to say about it. It is perfect. These Super Shock shadows are amazing. Like, I love that shade that's on my lid right now. It just ties everything in, and I feel like this was effortless. Like, I feel like this didn't take that long. As with my Nikita eyeshadow palette from Morphe, I feel like that look took me so long to do, but this one was just really fast and really effortless. Everything blended really nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner slash mascara, all of that stuff off camera. I will come back and finally do my giveaway announcement and all of that stuff. So BRB. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm gonna spray my face with some Fix Plus actually just to set everything, but I have to wait for my mascara to dry. So I'm gonna go over what's on the rest of my face and then I will announce the giveaway. So I did actually add the colors to my lower lash line, just kind of mirrored the colors that I used. So I used Chanterelle and then Fiddlehead and then Emerald City towards the end. I just love this look, honestly. I just feel like, you know, it's one of those days when you have a good makeup day. You guys know those good makeup days, right? Where you put your makeup on and you just look fierce. And that's how I feel with this eyeshadow palette. Like, I'm not even just saying that because it's part of the giveaway. I'm just saying, like, it is really nice. I love the colors in here. So yeah, I'll go over really quickly what's on my face because I know that you guys are here for the giveaway. I'm wearing Calabasas on my lips by Jeffree Star, and I just thought I'd add just a little pop of red, or like, I don't even know what color this would classify as. I would say that this is like a terracotta kind of color, like a terracotta with a little bit of pink. So that's what I wore. I just wanted to switch it up. I would have just gone with a nude, but I just wanted to, you know, switch it up and do that color. So that's on my lips. As far as my highlight goes, I am wearing Sunset Aura Loose Highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've been wearing it throughout this whole video. I applied it before my eyeshadow just to save time. And on my face, I have this blush from MAC. It's called Gentle, and it's a really pretty berry shade. For my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express Mascara. So I still don't have lash glue. I think I mentioned in my last eyeshadow tutorial slash palette review that I don't have lash glue. I still haven't picked up lash glue, so it's gonna be mascara until I pick up lash glue and I'm able to put lashes on. And then for my eyeliner, I'm wearing the ColourPop liquid liner in Grande. I did just a brown eyeliner. I've been obsessed with this lately. I'm gonna be doing a winter favorites really soon and telling you guys all of my favorite makeup at the moment, but I've been really digging brown eyeliner. So that is the final look. Okay, moving on to the most exciting part of the video, and that is the giveaway, my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to be giving you guys your very own At First Sight eyeshadow palette. Yay! I love this palette and I really hope you guys like it too. So this one is yours. And then I also have the ColourPop blush sticks in the color 25/8. I think that's the color. It is this really pretty mauve color. I try to pick something that kind of would be good for everyone, that, you know, light skin girls can wear, also dark skin girls can wear as well, and I just picked this color. I think it's pretty universal. And then for a lippy, I try to do the same thing. This one is called Floor, and this is from the Becky G by ColourPop collection. I will just open it really quickly to show you what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch it or anything like that, but it is this really nice burnt orangey color, really perfect for this time of year. It kind of reminds me of like pumpkin pie or something. And that is just going back in its box. So I'm giving away those 3 things. So let's go ahead and get into the rules and all of that stuff. So I really want to do another assumptions video. So all you have to do to win all these 3 things, so there is just going to be one winner. You get all of these things. This is open international, by the way, because I'm in Canada and like I'll pretty much just ship anywhere. So it's open international. All you have to do is, number 1, to be subscribed to my channel, of course. Turn on your bell notifications, and if you haven't done that already, it's just the little bell beside the subscription button. So do that. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram username is the same as my YouTube username. It is Layla Rosette. So go ahead, and I will leave the link and everything down in the description bar below, as well as at the end of the video. I will be contacting the winner via Instagram DM. I'll also be announcing the giveaway winner first on my Insta story. So make sure you're subscribed, as well as following me on Instagram. And to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is leave me an assumption that you have about me in the comments below, because I really want to do another assumptions video, and it's really hard for me to get people to do assumptions about me just on like Insta story or anything. Just basically leave me a comment with an assumption that you may have about me. It could be anything at all. Leave me an assumption as well as your Instagram username in the comment, so I'm able to see if you're following me, as well as I am able to contact you if you win the giveaway. So I will leave all of the giveaway rules, all of that stuff. If you missed what I just said, in the pinned comment below, I'll leave all of that stuff there. And the giveaway will end, what day is it today? Let's have the giveaway until the 21st. So on the 21st, this giveaway will end. That's exactly 2 weeks from today. I don't want to have it go too long. And yeah, I'll ship this out before Christmas. I don't know if you're going to be receiving it before Christmas, depends on where you are. So yeah, that is pretty much all for this video. I'd like to thank you guys again for continuing to subscribe to my channel and to be here with me during my YouTube journey, and just being here for Vlogmas, because Vlogmas is just my favorite time of the year. It's super stressful because I am uploading every single day, but it's also my favorite time of the year. So yeah, if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, click on the bell notification, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new episode of Vlogmas. Bye.